Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of amazing industrial home interior design ideas and dining room decor ideas and tips and guide to creating a modern and rustic interior space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Industrial interior design is a popular style that takes inspiration from the raw and unfinished spaces of factories and warehouses. It is characterized by exposed brick, concrete, and metal, as well as a minimalist aesthetic. In this video, you will learn about industrial home interior design as a popular style that takes inspiration from the raw and unfinished spaces of factories and warehouses. If you're drawn to the industrial style, but you're not sure how to create it in your own home, here are a few tips. First, start with the bones. The foundation of any industrial interior design is the exposed brick, concrete, or metal. If you don't have these elements in your home, you can create the illusion of them with faux finishes or wallpaper. Second, go for a minimalist look. Industrial design is all about simplicity and function. Avoid clutter and opt for furniture and accessories with clean lines. Third, use raw materials. In addition to exposed brick, concrete, and metal, other raw materials that are commonly used in industrial design include wood, leather, and glass. Fourth, add pops of color. The industrial style is often characterized by its neutral color palette, but you can add pops of color with your furniture, accessories, and artwork. Fifth, don't forget the lighting. Industrial lighting is often industrial grade, such as exposed light bulbs or hanging pendants. If you have small room and want to decorate with industrial and look bigger, here are some tips on how to decorate a small bedroom with industrial style interior design. 1. Use light colors. Light colors, such as white, beige, and light gray, will help to make the space feel larger and brighter. 2. Keep the furniture simple and streamlined. Avoid bulky furniture that will take up too much space. 3. Use mirrors. Mirrors can help to reflect light and create the illusion of a larger space. 4. Add plants. Plants can help to soften the industrial look and add a touch of nature. 5. Use vertical space. If you have high ceilings, use vertical space to your advantage by hanging shelves, artwork, or even a bed. 6. Create a focal point. A focal point can help to draw the eye and make the space feel more spacious. A large piece of art, a statement light fixture, or even a fireplace can all be used to create a focal point. 7. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Industrial design is all about mixing and matching different elements. Don't be afraid to experiment with different materials, textures, and colors. And to complete your inspiration, here are 10 of the best industrial home interior design ideas. 1. Use reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood is a great way to add warmth and character to an industrial space. Use it for furniture, flooring, or even walls. 2. Hang exposed light bulbs. Exposed light bulbs are a classic industrial element. Hang them from the ceiling or use them as table lamps. 3. Install a metal staircase. A metal staircase is a bold and eye-catching way to add industrial style to your home. 4. Create a gallery wall. A gallery wall of black and white photos or industrial artwork is a great way to add personality to an industrial space. 5. Paint the walls a dark color. Dark colors, such as black, gray, or navy, are often used in industrial design. They create a sophisticated and moody atmosphere. 6. Add a statement piece of furniture. A statement piece of furniture, such as a leather sofa or a metal coffee table, can help to anchor an industrial space. 7. Use plants. Plants can help to soften the industrial look and add a touch of nature. 8. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Industrial design is all about mixing and matching different elements. Don't be afraid to experiment with different materials, textures, and colors. 9. Accessorize with industrial-inspired pieces. There are a number of industrial-inspired accessories available, such as clocks, mirrors, and rugs. These can help to complete the look of your space. 10. Have fun. Industrial design is all about creating a space that reflects your personality. Don't be afraid to have fun with it and put your own unique stamp on the style. If you're looking for a modern and rustic way to decorate your home, industrial interior design is a great option. With its raw materials, exposed elements, and minimalist aesthetic, it can create a space that is both stylish and functional. To learn more about industrial interior design, or to see some examples of industrial home decor, be sure to check out my YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing industrial home interior design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.